You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Let's jump into the basics of low voltage wiring and how it applies to permanent trim lighting. Permanent trim lighting systems run on low voltage, meaning they use a step-down transformer to convert standard household power into a safer, lower voltage that the lights can handle. Most systems operate on 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts, depending on the brand and setup. Understanding voltage is important because it affects power distribution, wire selection, and installation length limits. Here's a simple breakdown. 12-volt systems are common for shorter runs, but require more frequent power injection. 24-volt systems allow for longer runs before voltage drop occurs. 48-volt systems are used for larger installations, where longer distances need to be powered efficiently. Because low voltage loses power over distance, voltage drop is something installers must account for. If power isn't reinforced at the right points, lights may dim or not function properly. This is why choosing the right wire gauge and using power injection correctly is critical for a smooth installation. Now that we've covered the basics of low voltage power, let's move on to Lesson 2, Wire Gauges and Power Injection Rules, where we'll discuss how to select the right wiring and when power injection is needed.